Why doctors still recommend garlic. The surprising health benefits of this everyday kitchen ingredient. What if one of the most powerful foods for your health has been sitting in your kitchen all along? As a medical doctor, I often remind my patients that while garlic is not a miracle cure, it has been studied for centuries and continues to show impressive health benefits when included as part of a balanced diet. Garlic contains natural compounds, particularly allicin, which is released when fresh garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has antibacterial, antiviral, and antioxidant properties that help protect the body from harmful microorganisms and reduce damage caused by free radicals. One of garlic's best-known benefits is its ability to support heart health. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of garlic may help lower blood pressure slightly in some people with high blood pressure and may also contribute to healthy cholesterol levels. Together, these effects can support healthier blood vessels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Garlic may also help strengthen the immune system. People who regularly include garlic in their meals may experience fewer common infections, such as colds, although garlic should never replace appropriate medical treatment when you are sick. Another benefit is its role in reducing chronic inflammation, which has been linked to conditions such as arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. The antioxidants in garlic help protect the body's cells and support overall health. Garlic is easy to include in everyday meals. You can add fresh garlic to soups, stews, vegetables, sauces, and grilled foods to improve both flavor and nutrition. As a doctor, I always remind patients that garlic is a helpful food, not a medicine that cures every illness. If you take blood-thinning medication or are preparing for surgery, speak with your healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of garlic, as it can increase the risk of bleeding. Small, healthy habits often produce the greatest long-term benefits. Adding garlic to your meals regularly is a simple step that can support your heart, immune system, and overall well-being. Please like, share, and subscribe for healthy tips, well-being medical advice, and to know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you.